Hello everyone. Let us discuss question number 1 of exercise 1.1. This is the first question of class 7 NCERT textbook. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So here we have a number line and it shows temperatures. The numbers are there and some points are marked on it. These points shows the temperature in degrees Celsius and these different places are of India. Lahul Spiti, it's in Himachal Pradesh. Srinagar is in Jammu and Kashmir. Shimla is in Himachal Pradesh. Ooty is in Tamil Nadu and Bengaluru is in Karnataka. All these places are in India. Now, if you see the number line, we have a 0 here. The 0 is here, okay. On the left hand side, that is this side, we got the negative numbers. And on the right hand side, we have all the positive numbers. We have learned in grade 6 about integers. So if you see here on the number line, -10 would be the coldest temperature and 25 would be the hottest temperature. That means as we move from left to right, that means we start from -10 and we move towards 25 degrees Celsius, the temperature increases. For example, if it is -10 and -5. Now, if I compare these two integers, -5 is greater than -10. Even though it's 5 is smaller than 10. 5 is smaller than 10. But -5 is greater than -10. This concept has to be clear, okay? For negative integers, the smaller the number, bigger the value of that integer, okay? Let us start with the first question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, so first let us find out what is the temperature of the given places. Start from 0, we move to the left. So this point is -1, -2. So -2, that means Srinagar is -2, -3, -4, then we have -5, -6, -7, -8. That means Lahul Spiti is -8, Srinagar is -2, Shimla it's already given. From 0 we move to the right hand side now. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So Shimla is 5 and then Ooty is between 10 and 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14. So Ooty is 14 and Bengaluru, that's between 20 and 25. So from 20, next would be 21, 22. So this is 22. You should know how to read the number line. Okay, now we have marked the numbers. So let us write the temperatures. Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. And Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. Now moving on to the next part of this question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So now they are referring to the number line which is given in the textbook above, but I have drawn it here. So we're going to refer to this number line and we have to find the difference. Difference means subtraction, minus, okay? And the hottest place and the coldest place. So hottest would be Bengaluru because this is to the right, extreme right, and the coldest would be Lahul Spiti. Okay, and we have seen in the previous question that the temperature of Bengaluru was 22 degrees Celsius and for this one it's -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, and we have to find the difference of the hottest and the coldest places. So let's do that. 22 degrees minus -8 degrees. So you can just write degrees Celsius here if you want. So we have to find the difference. Okay. Now when you solve this, this would be 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius because minus minus becomes plus and that equals to 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference is 30 degrees between the hottest and the coldest place. Okay, now the next part of this question. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So Lahul Spiti is here, which is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar is here, that is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus 2 is greater than minus 8, and we have to find the difference. So let us do that. So we would do minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. That equals to minus 2 degrees Celsius minus plus 8 degrees Celsius. So minus 2 plus 8. We have one negative sign, one positive sign. So we are going to subtract. That is, we would get 6 degrees Celsius, and we take the sign of the greater number, which is plus. So we can just write plus 6 degrees, or we can simply write as 6 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the temperature difference is 6 degrees Celsius. You can see that if I move to the right from this place, see Lahul Spiti, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 degrees Celsius difference is there. Okay. Now the last part of this question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? So Srinagar is here, Shimla is here, and taken together means plus. We are adding the temperature of these two places is less than the temperature at Shimla. So if we add up these two temperatures, would that temperature be less than Shimla's temperature? And the next part is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So is that temperature which is taken together, is it less than Srinagar also? So let's find out. First we will add up the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and here it's already given 5 degrees Celsius. So when we add up minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, we would get minus 2 plus 5. So subtract and take the sign of the greater number. So that is 3 degrees Celsius. Now we have to check if this temperature is less than the temperature at Shimla. So Shimla is 5 degrees. So 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius, right? So we can say yes, the temperature is less than Shimla's temperature. Okay. Now the next part is it less than the temperature at Srinagar? Now 3 degrees Celsius and Srinagar's temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So 3 degrees is not less than, it is greater than minus 2 degrees, because this is our Srinagar's temperature, right? So it is greater than. So we would say no, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. I hope this is clear to all. Thank you.